Welcome to NexTechie Exonaut Briefing, your rapid mission update on the frontier of space technology. Anchors on deck, let's launch.
This is the brief on the future drivers of the space tech industry. You know, a couple of things are really shaking up the new space age right now. Major breakthroughs in how we get around up there, and a huge financial event that's on the horizon. Let's break down the three key things you need to know. First up, global space sovereignty is getting a serious boost, and it's all thanks to a Turkish company called Fergani Space. On December 6, 2025, they did something pretty incredible. They pulled off the world's first in-space ignition of a hybrid rocket engine. And why is that a big deal? Well, this engine is kind of the best of both worlds. It has the simplicity of a solid rocket, but the power of a liquid one. This is the key piece of tech they need for their own GPS system, which is going to involve launching over 100 satellites. Second, we're seeing a big shift in how satellites move, and it's all about green thrusters. Benchmark Space Systems just showed off its Ascent thruster, and the cool thing is it uses a non-toxic fuel. So you get all the performance of traditional, really hazardous fuels, but without all the danger and cost. This gives mid-sized spacecraft a massive 50 to 70% boost in maneuverability, which is a total game changer for how long missions can last. And finally, let's talk about the money, because the industry's financial engine is about to go into hyperdrive. SpaceX is reportedly aiming for a massive IPO in mid to late 2026 at a staggering $1.5 trillion valuation. I mean, that's a flood of new cash into the sector. And that money is specifically for a huge new project, building data centers in space and linking them up with the Starlink network. So from smarter, safer ways to move in orbit to a $1.5 trillion IPO, the race to build our space infrastructure is officially hitting hyperdrive.
This was NexTechie Exonaut Briefing, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.